Okay, now we're going to talk about using function notation. This is something that I expect you guys already know how to do. So when we're talking about function notation, instead of writing y, we might write f of x or g of x or h of x, just some letter of x. The letter kind of represents the name of the function, and x means that's the input. So let's say f of x is x squared plus 3x plus 4. Now, a normal Algebra 1 problem might be something like, tell me what f of 2 is. And you would be like, okay, f of 2, I'm going to plug in 2 every time I see x. F of 2 is 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 4. 2 squared is 4 plus 6 plus 4. Well, that is 14. Okay, so f of 2 is 14. And what's nice about this notation is that you can clearly see when you plug in the number, like what your output is. So you have this input-output already kind of designated for you, right? This is our x, this is our y, this is our domain, and this is our range. And that's all well and good. Algebra 1 skill. But an Algebra 2 skill might be plugging in something other than 2 or 3 or 4 or even 1/2. An Algebra 2 skill might be something like this. Can you plug in x plus 1? And you can. You surely can. So x plus 1 might be something like x plus 1 squared plus 3 times x plus 1 plus 4. Every time before where we saw an x squared, and x. Now we plug in x plus 1. So our new input is x plus 1. And I have no doubt in your ability to simplify this. X plus 1 times x plus 1 is x squared plus 2x plus 1. 3 times x plus 1 is 3x plus 3. And don't forget the 4. And then we combine like terms and we say x squared plus 2x and 3x is 5x, and 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. So f of x plus 1 is x squared plus 5x plus 8. And you can imagine how we might make these problems more difficult by plugging in sort of more difficult things or having a longer function. But the idea itself is the same as the Algebra 1 concept. Whatever the input is, you plug in the function.